Oh, so many airplanes today. What do you want to review today? Oh, what is it?
Concorde.
Oh, Concorde? How many do you have? It's quite a lot.
One,
Two?
and three.
You have three?
Yes.
Oh, really? So this one is Air France, right?
Yes.
And the other one is British Airways.
You right.
How about the other one?
Let's see.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's open one by one, unbox for our audience to see. So I want to see the Air France first. Can you show the Air France?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay. So this is the box of the Concorde. Wow, very nice. The size is so big, right? Wow, it's so huge. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh, you take out the plastic. Wow. Oh my God. Can you guess how long is it? I think it is 50 centimeters. Wow, this is so sure. Can I touch?
Yes.
Wow, this is the Concorde Air France. Oh, very nice.
Give me back.
Okay, let's check what inside the box. So we have the landing gears. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 landing gears. And then we have the cable for the light. So this is the light inside, right? Okay, so we have the cable to charge the airplane. And then there's a light on every single window. We will turn on the light later, but check the overview of the airplane first. There is a stand. Can you put the stand? First, I want you to put the landing gears with the airplane first. Okay, let's check. Wow, this is so nice. This is the engine of the Concorde, right? And then this is the front. I think here, it goes here, right? Wow, nice. Okay, and then the other one. Okay, put there. Wow. Okay, so now we have a full Concorde with the landing gear. Wow, this is so nice, right? This is the Air France Concorde. I love this Concorde because it can fly very, very, very fast. It can fly faster than the sound of the speed. Wow, so nice. So let's see if put it here. Okay, so now it can move around. Very nice. But we can also put on the stand here. Let's put on the stand. Be careful. We can unscrew it. And then we put on the stand. So if you buy this one for the office display, it's super cool, right? So put it there and then you screw it. Okay, so you can screw it back so it will be there forever. It will not fall down in any case. Okay, now we put it here on the table. So imagine you have one in your office. It's so beautiful. Let's open the other one. I think this one is the British Airways, right?
Sure.
Let's open that one. Let's see the British Airways. Okay. The box doesn't matter. What's matter is the beauty inside. Wow. The size is the same. But look, the British liveries. It stayed there for centuries. Or for decades, actually. Yes. Oh, it smells so nice. It's new, right? And you compare the length of this airplane. And we have, British Airways. And we have Air France here. What if you have two, in your office? It must be absolutely stunning if you are a true collector of model aircraft. So what do we have inside? Is it the same? Of course, we have landing gear and we have the steer. No, we have the stand, sorry. We have the stand here. So let me quickly put it on the stand with the landing gear. Oh, before that, can I touch it? Wow, look at that. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. Wow, just so beautiful. You know, I'm not sure if I love the British livery more or the Air France livery more. Can you bring the Air France and put together? And the audience, please comment which one you love more, British Airways or Air France for the Concorde here. It stay here for decades for the livery, and up until now, the livery stay the same. So let's put together with the landing gears and the stand. I cannot wait to see these two airplanes standing together on the desk. Okay, the same thing. We first need to be carefully putting the landing gears into the hole that designed for it. And then we put the main gear here. Okay, basically you need to use your finger a little bit. Right, okay, perfect. Right, the other side. The other side, okay. Push the finger. I think the box is not important. Throw it away! Okay, so now, put first. I want to see when it's on the runway. Wow, so nice, right? See, it moved perfectly here, right? The landing gear moves perfectly. Oh, I cannot imagine if I were born earlier, I would risk my life to fly this one. But currently, they're all gone. Only see on the museum, or you can buy this, you know, model airplane just to, you know, remind the memory of the early 2000s when people were able to fly this supersonic airplane. Let's put the stand together and then we put with the Air France. Wow, now we put already. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at the size of these two airplanes. Tell me which one you love more, Air France or British? So what do you love more? Which one you love more? You love
This
British?
one, yes.
Okay, I love Air France. But wait, you said you have one more, right?
Yes.
I only know there is British and Air France. What do we have more? I never knew it.
Open it now.
Open it now. Oh, you said SQ? What is SQ? Is it Singapore?
Let's see it.
Let's see. Is it Singapore? Did Singapore have Concorde? I never knew it. I never knew it. Let's open the box. Wow. I cannot wait to see. What is it? Really? Really, Singapore had Concorde?
Yay!
Oh, really? I never knew it. Let's open the box. Let's put all the plastic away. Wow. Wait. Singapore? Wait, Singapore Airlines had the Concorde? Really? Let me check the internet quickly. What's happened? Why I never knew about it? Huh? Wait, the other side? The other side is British? And this side is Singapore? Wait, oh my god. So we buy one, we get two, right? Very nice. You see, this is British Airways and the other side is Singapore Airlines. I must search the history of Singapore British Concorde. I must do it now. But before that, let's do the same thing. Put the landing gears to it and then we put on the stand. I was talking about the lights, right? Oh wait, what is it? Let's check it. Okay, we can turn on it. Oh, so here, everybody, this is the transparent window. So all the same with the three livery. Air France, British, and Singapore, they have the same light. But just these two haven't charged it yet. But this one is fully charged. So you can see the light on every window. Turn it on, touch it, turn it on, touch it. Oh my god, you see? The window here are transparent. Wait, I think the cockpit here can go. Oh my god, this is so realistic, right? So the cockpit here can go up and go down. If you check the internet, you will see the Concorde can move up and down for the cockpit like this. It's the same thing, see? Down, up. And this is down and up. Oh my god. Let's put the wheel. I will read the history real quick. Ah, I know it's now. Because British Airways and Singapore Airlines, did a cooperation in the past to bring the Concorde to Singapore. So that's why one Concorde was painted in Singapore Airlines and in British Airways. So this is the only one on earth that have two liveries. One side is on Singapore Airlines and the other side is on British Airways. I think you haven't put the front view yet. Okay. So nice. So now I know more, right? Oh my God, look at it. Okay, I want you to put the stand and then put away the plastic. I don't want to see the plastic. Wow, look at that. So now we have three liveries. Air France, British, and the other one is Singapore hybrid with British Airways. Now put together. I cannot wait to see, the three models together here. Okay, oh wow. So can you put three together like this? One and two and three. So everybody, tell me which one you love more. Earlier, you said you love British, right? And then I said I love Air France. But now I am reluctant to choose one. Among Singapore Airlines, right? And then we have British Airways. And then we have Air France. So everybody, tell me which one you love more among the three. So now it's your turn, your time to tell me, after seeing these three liveries of Concorde, which one would you pick? You pick only one. So you pick Singapore?
Yeah.
Wow, you pick Singapore, right? Oh, this is British Airways and the other side is Singapore Airlines. So you will pick that one? I'm still in between. All of them are beautiful. All of them. I mean, if I can, I would buy three of them. Put on my office, it's so nice. So that should be all for the today review. I hope you enjoy the videos and please tell us which one you love more among the three liveries here. Air France, British Airways, and Singapore hybrid with British Airways. And this is a realistic model, everybody. You can see, let me do a quick review on the model here. So basically, this is so realistic. The length of this airplane is 50 cm. It's half a meter already. And this is so long. It's among the longest model we have in stock. And then the windows are transparent. We can see the light inside. Even the cockpits are movable. You see all of the models. And then we have the landing gear, which is also movable. It is very nice. So if you want to put it on the stand on your office, it works perfectly. And if you want to put it on the ground, let's say your child want to play with it, it moves perfectly. So this is absolutely beautiful and practical for both display and play. You might want to buy one of which for your child as a memory or for yourself. This souvenir doesn't mind the age. You are 40, you are 50, you still want to have one as a collection, or you want to buy one for your child as a gift, birthday gift, or whatsoever gift, because these are very meaningful. And if you are truly a collector, this is for you, right? So I can show you more in detail. This one, for example, they have light. These also have light, just I haven't charged it. So exactly like this, if you charge it, you will see the light on the windows here. And you see here, wow. Let me leave it and then want to show you the real beauty of this Concorde, right? So we have a lot here. So tell me, what next you want to see? I can review this Airbus Beluga, the big size. I can review the Vietnam Airlines, the big size. I can also review the military aircraft. We have MH53E. We have different colors. We have Chinese J-16. We have J-20 helicopter. We have a lot of other things. It's like the B-2, the Ghost B-2. And this is B-52. And we have F-15, F-16, F-18, F-35. We have Su-35, Su-27, and so many other things. Please leave a comment what you like to see. I will ask my brother to do a review for you. But for now, please don't forget to subscribe and like our video and comment more. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you very much for your time for reviewing this airplane, and I hope everybody have a great day. Bye bye. See you.